Use the information in the exhibit to complete the assignment that follows. Use your knowledge of mathematics to develop a response that's about 150 to 300 words or 1 to 2 pages, in which you analyze the solution to the mathematical problem, identifying any errors or misconceptions. Also, provide a correct solution to the problem. And third, use an alternative method or representation to solve the problem and justify the approach. Okay, so a teacher tells the student that sunrise occurred at 6:25 a.m. and that sunset is expected to occur at 7:30 p.m. The student is asked to determine the total amount of sunlight for that day. So, hmm, the student drew a timeline, right? They drew a number line, they put 6:25 at the beginning, and they are counting up until 7:30. They're going to count all the hours that pass between 6:25 and 7:30. So they say it's the first jump is going to be from 6:25 to 7, and they call that 75 minutes, which is incorrect, right? 6:25 to 7 o'clock is only 35 minutes because there are 60 minutes in an hour. So that should be 35 minutes. And then from 7 to 12 is 5 hours. That's correct. From 12 to 7 is 7 hours. That's correct. And from 7 to 7:30 is 30 minutes. So that's correct. So the picture looks great, except for the 35 minutes. And they have a misconception about how many minutes are in an hour. So let's look at the rest of their work. They add the 7 hours and the 5 hours to get 12 hours. They add the 75 minutes and the 30 minutes to get 105 minutes. This should be 35 minutes, which means this should be 65 minutes. Okay, then they add the 12 hours and the 105 minutes to get 13 hours, 5 minutes. This should be 65 minutes, okay, which actually is 13 hours and 5 minutes. Okay. So their mistake didn't end up affecting their final answer, but they do have a misconception about the number of minutes in an hour. So I'm not going to write this all out. The next page, the next slide has a fully written solution. This is a sample strong response as published by the MTEL itself. So I'm not going to write another response because this is the way that they would like to see it. So I'm just going to put this up for a minute. You can pause the video if you want to read this. Um, yeah, that's it.